SDN is software-defined networking. It decouples the control plane and the data plane from our ordinary hardware that we use inside of our networks today. It uses software to administrate those hardware devices.
Really, it's the realization of a single pane of glass for managing all your infrastructure. Now it's all dynamically deployed. That really is the big difference.
It's the way of the future. I think everybody should eventually start looking into it. You maybe invest less, but get more feature-rich functions out of a software-defined environment versus just a traditional hardware environment.
We saw a need amongst our customers to be able to evaluate the technology before they actually put it in place in their data centers.
The advantage is just that, is that you can bring your customer in and now you can make that migration slowly. So those changes that you're going to make to your network, you can, in a sense, see what that's going to look like before you do it.
On the far left rack, we have basically traditional Nexus gear that our customers have today in their data centers. And the rack to the right of that, we call the SDN server rack, which is newer gear that our vendors are using right now to demonstrate SDN or design SDN. And we'll use those two racks to mesh everything together and show our customers what works together and what doesn't.
They'll be able to really determine which technology they want to go with. Is SDN even a fit? And also the different vendors that have a solution.
So that's the value in this center right here, where we can actually demonstrate it live for them, one-on-one, literally with the configurations that they themselves would deploy in their own data centers. Sirius SDX Innovation Center is located in Kansas City, where virtual demos are available no matter where you are.
Most technologies that are out there in our customer base, we can absolutely test in here and tell them if it works and how well it works before they invest any time or money in chasing that. So that's a huge benefit.
And we're one of very few partners that's even authorized to install SDN. We have the right certifications, the right people behind it to make sure that once it's deployed, it's going to be successful.
In the industry, there's not very many of these, if any, that are at this level of integration. We built this on purpose to be able to benefit any of our customers, no matter how big or small they are. This is for everybody. We're trying to do our due diligence as a partner to our customers and make sure they get a good design.
That is the whole concept, is to take those potential failures, work out the bugs, and deploy the stuff right the first time when it goes into production. Talk to your Sirius rep about demos, workshops, and proof of concept opportunities.
Sirius, the brightest minds in the business.